Well, hello, gorgeous. Are you going to grab my finger? You are. Oh, how pretty you are. In Scarlet Town, where I was born, the leaves that fell on maidens made every youth cry well a day. Her name it was BJ. Oh, BJ, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, look at you. Are you wishing I would start taking you out again? I did it once and you went into a complete panic. Ow. I don't think so. If you're pulling my hand over there, it's okay. It's all right. In Scarlet Town, where I was born, there lived a fair young maiden, made every youth cry well a day. Her name it was BJ. Little BJ, who's my good girl? Who's my pretty girl? That's what I want. Don't be scared when they make noise. It's perfectly all right. It's perfectly all right. Yes, it is. It's okay. It's all right. Love that BJ. Love that BJ. Oh, that little devil bird. Who's my good girl? You're a good girl. You're a very good girl. I love BJ. I love my BJ. Yes, I do. I love BJ. You have nefarious purposes sometimes when you do that, but right now your leg is relaxed. I'm happy. It's just one foot. This can be painful. And take care of those toenails.